It's waning, Pookie. We can't go out, it's waning so much. And Goody's scared of the waning too. Yep. And Pookie didn't want to go for a pee-pee because it's waning. Oh, Pookie. You're getting your mane in, I see. Puka's grandfather. I got some pictures of him. My goodness, he's got a huge mane. He looks like a lion. Kartamaker. Kurt. Facing you a little bit better. There you go. Okay. Yep, it's one of those days. I'm wearing my big slippers. It's just too damp out there. I know. We just stay together all day. Yes. And Mr. Moog? Hi, Mr. Mogi. Don't want me to wake you up, Mogi? Okay. Just talk to me with your tail, Mogi. Mr. Moog. Okay, go back to sleep. And you want to keep playing with my booties, huh? I'm not gonna let you. Pookie. Pook. I know it's bad. But at least there isn't any thunder, Birdie. Yeah. It's gonna be gone in a month or so. I don't think you want this. I don't think so. Nope. Yeah, right. Nope. It's berry juice and acidophilus. Peek ya, baby. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, boy. You wanted so much for me to get up this morning. You were so happy that I got up. 'Cause I'm sleeping more now. Yes. I'm sleeping more. Pookie. Pook. Your fur is getting lighter and your eyes are getting darker. Yep. You're getting quite the expression on your face. You really have a beautiful little face, you know that? Yes, you do. So confident. Jeez. What was that? Did you fall down, go boom on Gertie? Poog? Look at you, Poog. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Oh, you're both so sweet. Pook. Pookie, pook.